Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just a quick video of my Saint Croix Prescott pellet stove. I've recently taken it apart and cleaned it, and I'm usually one to maintain things pretty good. You can pop off the side by the access door, that side, as well as this side, to get inside and clean around the motors and whatnot. However, I actually moved it out and took apart the back panel, and it's amazing how much dust and cat hair and whatnot were in around the exhaust blower motor up on top, as well as in around it, as well as there's a air intake behind it, right behind those cables, where it sucks the fresh air in and blows it out through the vents with the hot air. And it's amazing how dirty the blades were, as well as the motor there too. What I'll do at the end of this video is I'll attach pictures showing the extent of the pellet stove in back when I had initially taken it off. The little monitor beside the pellet stove there too is actually a carbon monoxide detector I just recently installed too. Again, just a short video just explaining that it's quite important every once in a while to actually take these apart and actually give them a really thorough cleaning. Again, I've had it for 9 years, and that's actually the first time that I've had the back off, as you'll see in the pictures. It's one thing I'll do every probably year or two, is I'll actually take the pellet stove out and take it apart and give it a good cleaning. Thanks for watching now.